A recent advice on personal tech section at New York Times suggested if you are unsure about the security of the wireless network you are using, turn off the Wi Fi in settings and stick with the 4G LTE mobile connection. Not sure anymore. As a recent research paper has raised critical questions with regards to our LTE network security. Folks, welcome to Security Arena. Today we shall be discussing Revolte. Do you think your LTE network is secure? Social distancing in wake of COVID-19 has kept millions at home, placing significant demands on infrastructure. Systems supporting healthcare, education, and business of all types are under stress. Connectivity is key, and so far, telecom networks have stood up to the task. This massive disruption has highlighted the value of the telecommunication network. Mobile communication have come over a long distance since days of first G analog signals to superfast latest 5G technologies. Although most cellular technology news nowadays is abuzz with exciting 5G offerings and promises, however, as of 2020 and for some considerable future, 4G LTE will remain most widely deployed and use cellular technology across the world. LTE stands for long term evolution, primarily designed to be a data only technology. Voice is carried over the LTE network using an overlay technology known as VoLTE or Voice over LTE. To secure the phone calls, VoLTE encrypts the voice data between the phone and the network using a stream cipher. Ideally, as per the LTE standard, the stream cipher should generate a unique key stream for each individual call so as to keep all LTE calls secure and private. However, in a recent research work, researchers from Ruhr University Bochum and New York University Abu Dhabi have raised critical questions with regards to LTE network security. In an attack termed as Revolte, researchers have practically demonstrated an attack within a German commercial network using commercial phones and a commercially available radio analyzer. Revolte attack exploits a flaw in LTE implementation to recover the contents of an encrypted VoLTE call. This enables a rogue hacker to eavesdrop, listen, and record phone calls by passively intercepting signals between victim phone and an LTE mobile tower. Revolte makes use of a predictable key stream reuse, which was initially discovered by UCLA researchers Mohammad Taqi Raza and Songwoo Lo back in 2018. In 2018 paper, Raza and Lu had showed that several design choices on both control and data planes in the LTE security setup are vulnerable to key reinstallation attacks. More annoyingly, variants of some key reinstallation exploitation techniques have been successfully used by hackers against wireless Wi-Fi networks. As per researchers, GSM Association had been informed about the vulnerability in December 2019. Recently, a retest indicated that the German operators had managed to install the patches. However, we need to consider a large number of providers worldwide and their large deployments. So the takeaway here is, as end users, we must be mindful of our privacy, especially be wary of anything we send over the air. Thank you.